everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I make another quick lunch. This has actually been inspired by Pinterest, which I'm pretty sure everybody in the planet has that app. But today I'm gonna make some egg muffins. So these ones are just eggs, and I call them more like egg poppers because these are basically egg that you bake inside like a muff in shape of a muffin. This one, so right now I'm just beating up the eggs. I think I put around 4 to 5 eggs to make, I think there were about like 9, I could say 9 cupcake eggs that I made. This is something I make for lunch when I go to work. So I just started a new job, so this one is a really quick lunch that I make the night before, and I just pop them in the oven, and in the morning when I'm heading off to work I heat them up in the microwave and they're ready to eat. So I'm just gonna fill up all the little cups of the cupcakes. I didn't make all 12 of them, but I got these silicone molds from Amazon. I think they were like $5, and I highly recommend them. I think that if you're making cupcakes or anything like this, these are very, very, very useful. The reason being is because they're reusable. So if you're all about the environment and helping in the environment and have less trash, then this will be great for you. I also made chorizo on the side, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stuff them with chorizo. The great thing about these cupcake eggs is that you can put pretty much anything you want. You can make like sausage ones, you can have them with mushroom, you can have them with a little bit of spinach in them if you like. You can stuff them with bacon, so you can pretty much put anything you want. So the chorizo is already pre-cooked. I cooked the chorizo already because I've never done it where the chorizo is not cooked, because I don't know if baking it will cook the chorizo in its totality. And if it's not baked, obviously if it's not cooked all the way, it could be really bad for me because it's this one's beef chorizo, but there's also pork chorizo. So if you don't cook pork the right way, you can get very, very ill. And again, you can add anything that you like. I top these with cheese. I love cheese. I love dairy. I try to limit my cheese on keto as much as I can because I am starting to get back on keto, because I did get out of ketosis when I went on vacation, and it's been very, very hard for me to get back in it. So this is another way that I'm like getting back into it, is trying to minimize all the things that I love, which is cheese. I love cheese, and chorizo is one of my favorite things to put on anything, so I try to limit that too. But since this is more for like a lunch on a hurry kind of thing, I put everything I liked inside. So you want to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. I like to preheat the oven like once I start kind of preparing everything, I like to turn on the oven and preheat it. So then once like I'm done making the little cupcakes, the oven is ready to go, and you put them inside. So once you left them there for about 15 to 20 minutes, they're gonna come out looking like this. They look a little puffy, but if you leave them there to rest for a little bit, they are gonna come down on the size. And they are so good and so convenient for on the go. They're so delicious and so soft on the inside, so much flavor in them. And I really hope you guys try this out. And if you do, please let me know what you put inside, what you stuff them with. If you guys want another recipe about how to make a quick lunch on keto, please leave the comments down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.